Dr. Laux, I'm in my 50s, and frankly, I'm too young for this.
And it's not a time to panic, and you and your friends are not alone. 140 million Americans are dealing right now with age-related memory loss that's normal.
And everyone's going to get it. We're all in the same boat.
Oh yeah, nobody gets out of this one. Take a look at this graph. Studies show that the human brain starts a gradual decline by age 40. And by age 50, we've lost 1/2 of our short-term memory. And it gets worse from there.
You know, it's interesting because you can see what's going on the outside of your body in terms of aging. The gray hairs, the sagging skin, but we don't see what's going on with the brain.
Easy on the outside, it's a mystery on the inside. But you know what? It's normal. It's going to happen to all of us, and that's the bad news. But the good news is we have a simple solution. Thanks to this revolutionary new supplement called Cebria with NeuroPep 12. Cebria has been scientifically shown in a published double-blind study to combat what we're talking about. Neuropeptides is a big word. They're simple, small, natural proteins the body makes. And they act as messengers. I mean, when we're young, we make a lot of them naturally from the food that we eat. They signal our brain cells to grow, to make new connections.
And as we age, it gets worse.
Well, you know that with everything else as we age, not as efficient. Less neuropeptides, fewer connections. Let's back up a second. Let's talk about actually how your brain works. In your brain, and I've got a model right here, which is perfect. In your brain, you've got 100 billion neurons, and they make 1 trillion internal connections in your brain. It's really how they connect and how they talk to each other that determines our memory, our thinking, and it's critical. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to draw you a picture. I'll show you how that works. This is going to be a brain cell, and as it grows, it makes branches. It's important because those branches, that's how it communicates with other brain cells.
And neurons are brain cells.
They're brain cells. These are the branches. Think of them as trees. Think of your brain as a forest of these trees. And it's these connections that have to happen that create our memory, our ability to think.
I see.
When we age, we don't make enough of those neuropeptides which cause these branches. We don't have enough neuropeptides, we lose the connections.
There goes our memory.
We lose the branches on our trees. They shrink, our brain suffers, and our memory starts to fail. But with Cebria, we're talking 1 capsule a day. We give the body back what we had when we were younger. Those neuropeptides to support healthy neural connections and increase the communication. That's how it works, improving our short-term memory, raising your ability to retain new information, and Bella, so importantly, renewing your confidence.